What's up, YouTube? It's Ryan with the MXG channel here, and what I've got on the screen is apparently another spy photo that dropped, and this is supposed to be the 2024 KX450F engine. I dropped a video last week of some spy photos. The bikes were muddy. It was really hard to tell anything, but it's that time of year. We should start seeing some of these photos and some of this information leak out. If you're not familiar, Kawasaki has had the same generation KX450F since 19. So that's 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Most people love the bike. It wins shootouts still, but it was definitely time for a new generation bike from Kawi, and that's what we can expect to hit the showrooms this summer. This is by far the best picture that we've seen of the engine, and what you'll notice off the immediate bat is the new top end design. So it's a downdraft top end design, similar to what Honda did a few years ago. You can see this is more along the lines of what Kawi has done in the past and what their heads have looked like. They've done a low profile head cover and then just implemented the half moon grommet kind of things in the head. You can see that's back. For 19, they had went to just a ginormous head cover. I thought it kind of looked a little goofy. I like this look a little better. But definitely a downdraft design, and I can't really go into the details of all the benefits that's supposed to give you, but that's similar to what Honda did a few years ago. Now, looking at the bottom end, I found the best pictures I could of the 2023, and the bottom end all looks really the exact same to me. It looks like the same slave cylinder, the same stator cover, the same starter, all that stuff, all the sensors and stuff, it all just looked the same to me off first glance. So Kawasaki's done this in the past. Sometimes throughout their generations, they'll keep the bottom end the same and just change up the top. And it's kind of getting to this point with these four-stroke combustion engines. It's like, how many more changes can they make? How much better can they make them anyway? So, Kawi's always been known to have strong bottom ends, especially on their 450s anyway. So I'd say if there's nothing wrong with it, if it works good, leave it. What I'm really pumped to hear about are what other changes are on this bike. Is there going to be a map switch finally after all these years of messing with these couplers? Like, is there going to be Wi-Fi tuning? What else are we going to get with this bike? And I think we'll find that out over the next coming weeks and months. It usually doesn't take that long. If you know anything, have any more details about this bike, please leave them down in the comment section below. Wanted to get out a video as quick as I could, which is why I just kind of did this screen record to show you guys this picture as soon as possible. So appreciate all you guys, and I'm going to go ride some dirt bikes this weekend. So see you on the other side. Later.